Pikachu.
Who are you?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Where's your mask, Spider-Man?
I'm on the car.
Tell Mom, I need my mask, Mom.
Oh, it's in the car.
Oh.
He already has pictures with his mask.
Okay.
They'll be a lot cuter if you can see his face.
Did you have fun tonight?
Peace.
Did you have fun?
Peace.
Where'd you go?
The cushion.
Did you go get candy tonight?
I go get candy at the one side.
What did you tell everybody when you knocked on their door?
Little trees.
Did they give you candy? Let me see. Where's your candy at? Show me. Show me. Wow, you got candy.
I got 2 of these candy.
Did Bobby give you candy?
No. Yeah.
Did you tell him thank you?
Okay.
He probably thinks we're
Bobby got me blue. Hey, Bobby got me blue.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Bobby got green.
Did you have a lot of fun tonight?
Yeah.
Good.
I fun. That's good.
Say happy Halloween. Look at the camera and say happy Halloween.
Happy